Hey Alex, it's Guys here. I own a real estate brokerage headquartered in Austin, Texas, and I've been investing in real estate for years. Choosing real estate and getting my license was the best decision I have ever made. You see, I've always considered myself an entrepreneur in some form or fashion, and I really never did well with authority. I know some of you guys can relate. I decided to get my license after years of investing. I was already making money on real estate as an investor, and I wanted to make money in real estate as an agent, especially in today's market. Now, I know you're smart. You're choosing the best career to make money, all while having as much flexibility and freedom as your heart desires. But you need to know what to do to get there. What are the steps? I've been there too. Will someone just tell me what to do? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm gonna line it out for you in 3 easy, simple steps. If you hit that like button, it'll really help out with the YouTube algorithm. And for it, thank you for doing that. Here is a picture of my cute dog, Gia. All right, now getting into what you need to do to become a realtor. Step number 1 is you need to get your real estate license. This is kind of a process and it's going to vary state by state depending on where you're at, but what you need to do is take your classes. I personally would recommend taking these in person if possible, or at a very minimum, taking these online with classes that you can actually attend and that are not done via self-pace. The online classes or one that you're going to in person, it'll really help you stay on pace with continuing through the program, learning all the information, being able to ask instructors and other classmates questions that you may have, and I found that this is the best way to take the classes. Once you've taken all your classes, you have all your certifications, what you're going to need to do is apply. Again, this is going to be different state by state. Here in Texas, they allow you to apply either online or you can mail in your application. There are going to be some application fees. Make sure you have your certifications from the place that you completed your courses because you're going to need to submit those with your application. Next part in the application process is typically a background check. Here in Texas, you have to get fingerprinted and you have to have an FBI background check done on you. Now, don't freak out if you do have something on your background that you are worried about. At least here in Texas, the Texas Real Estate Commission is only concerned with telling the truth. They're looking for honesty, trustworthiness, and integrity. So disclose everything, tell the truth, and show the Real Estate Commission why you should be a real estate agent. Last but not least, to getting your license is passing the exams. You're gonna have to take the state and the national exams. With the courses that you paid for, they should have some sort of study exam prep. If they don't, I would recommend paying for one. This will cost you maybe $50 to a couple $100, but it's well worth it. It crams all the information, it provides you with practice tests, you're able to ask instructors questions and get very clear on any information that you weren't too sure about before going in to take the actual exams. Step number 2, now that you've got your real estate license, is you need a sponsoring broker. The real estate broker is going to be the one who is overseeing your license, helping you with your transactions, and walking you through how to become successful in real estate. A sponsoring broker is someone like us, Teifke Real Estate or Keller Williams. There are many out there and you just need to choose one. What I think is really important when looking for a broker is finding someone who's going to support you and your goals and help you achieve your goals. Maybe you only want to work with luxury real estate. Maybe you only want to work with investors. Maybe you want to work with first-time homebuyers or work with the elderly when they're looking to move into assisted living. Find a broker that's going to help you achieve these goals and find one that's going to support your lifestyle. Some agents look for flexibility and some need more structure. Find the brokerage and the broker that is going to support your lifestyle, your goals, and help you get where you need to go. My last tip here when you're interviewing brokerages is interview multiple. Really take it into consideration because they are going to be the engine behind your success, especially when you're first starting out. Last but not least, and number 3, is you have to learn and you got to train. The brokerage that you pick should provide you with training, but I also recommend trying to find a mentor. I found it very, very valuable to work closely with someone as you're first getting started. This could be your broker, it could be someone on your brokerage, they could be even with a different brokerage. But make sure you find someone, try and work closely with them, learn from them, and most importantly, you have to reach out. You can't expect anybody to figure out what you need or to assume what you need. You need to ask for help, especially when you're first getting started. Take advantage of free classes. Title companies typically provide free classes on a weekly basis and they release these monthly schedules usually at the first of the month. Most importantly, get out there, get started, and don't be afraid to fail. It's how every successful real estate agent got started and you have to start somewhere. That's it. Simple but not easy. That's all you need to get started to become a rockstar agent like the 100 agents we have here at TRE. It's going to take some hard work and it's going to take some dedication, but good thing you got both of those. I'm curious, which market and city are you in? Real estate is so hot right now, so getting your real estate license, regardless of where you're located at, is a great idea. Drop a comment below with where you're located. I cannot wait to see you reach a level of success you never thought was possible. Thanks again for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.